This is our 4-point welder. We refer to it as Machine Center. This is where we weld all of our frames. This machine is a welder, a CNC router, and what's a corner cleaner to clean all the frames after we're done. So what we do here is we take the heights and the widths for the windows, and she'll check to make sure they're the right size. From there, we put them in the welder, make sure the frame is square. Then we heat it to 240 degrees Celsius to melt the vinyl. When we push it together, after 2 minutes, it's welded. This is where the operator controls the welder. So we have, our computer will display the general picture of the windows. It's not to scale, but she can tell roughly how it looks, so she's got the right window. This is the newest edition piece of equipment we bought. It's a 4-point welder we bought from Germany. Allows us to weld much larger frames than we used to be able to. We can weld anything 14 by 14 feet in this welder. Anything above that requires a 1-point weld. The biggest need that we had short term was just to allow us to have better flow of our product and control of our product, so that we could get the product through in the rate we wanted instead of everything slowing down as soon as I hit a welder. We bought another welder. That allows us to push the flow through and keep our lines going the way we want them to.